Police seek to clarify the use of fraudulent registration plate in recent incident.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, I did some digging, read the registration plate 202060 and fixed to the pro box involved in the police chase recently. But before I share my findings, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has sought to bring clarity in relation to the government-issued registration plate that was found on the vehicle in which gunmen were traveling on Friday the 16th of April. This comes against the background of several persons being of the view that the plate used on the vehicle is the personal property of the Commissioner of Police. The police, in a statement on Monday, reminded the public that the registration plate is now the subject of a probe as its use was discontinued. We are stating categorically that all vehicles issued to the constabulary are registered to the Commissioner of Police, and as such, all communication as to ownership is referred to as the property of the Commissioner of Police, and was the case in Friday's incident, the JCF stated. The registration plate in question, which is now the subject of an investigation, and the use of it was discontinued, the police added, noting that investigations into the matter continues. Now, like the police, I felt compelled to do my own investigation, which revealed that the plates were stolen from a white 1995 Toyota Corolla sedan registered to the government of Jamaica. Not surprisingly, the vehicle is no longer operational. Though I am not able to say when, where, or under what circumstance the plates were stolen, I can say that based on my information, the registration plate was issued to the Jamaica Constabulary Force during the service of George Quayle as Commissioner of Police.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!